Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. This is a short video that shows how to complete your homework in Canvas. So I've adjusted how we're going to do homework while we take the class remotely online. So instead of doing the assignments on paper like we've been doing so far, there are some homework assignments that I added to the course that you can complete straight in Canvas. So you need to be logged into Canvas. So log into Canvas and click on our Math 46 course. And just on the home page, if you scroll, you will see materials for each course. We're going to start on Chapter 5 this week. And the assignments that you'll see on here, so we have the learning objectives, the textbook, but then come the lessons, okay? So you see there's a video lesson and a homework assignment for each section. All right, so the video lessons, you can click on it and this will have a video that you can watch and some questions. Okay, so to complete this assignment, you will click and watch the video and then you'll answer the questions that kind of have to do with that video. And you can see here it says, here's a system of equation, here's its graph, what's the solution to this system? All right, so we'll learn later that the solution to the system is where the two lines intersect. So if I look at that coordinate point, this is going to be x equals 3 and y equals 3. So just enter it like that, right? Let's see, and you're going to click submit. So I didn't answer both parts of the questions. I should have, but that's how you type in the answer and you submit it. And then you go to the next question, and you also answer that one. It says solve the systems of equation by graphing. All right, so if we graph both lines, so first line is y equals negative 2x minus 4. Okay, so here the system allows you to graph things, so you can draw a line. I can see that the first equation, the y-intercept is a negative 4. So apply a point, and then the slope is negative 2 over 1. So we go down 2 over 1, draw a second point, and that draws my first line. And then I'm going to draw the second line, which has a y-intercept of 2. So I click a point at 2, and then the slope is negative 1 over 2, which means down 1, right 2, like this. So here are my two lines. All right, and the point of intersection is my solution. So we type in the solution as an xy value. I can see that this intersects when x is negative 4 and y is positive 4. All right, so I enter that point there. And we submit. All right, and we can see that when you get your green check marks and check marks that you've done things correctly. All right, so once you completed your watched the video, completed your questions, then you don't have to do anything else. This is automatically saved. And it actually puts it automatically in my gradebook, and that's it. All right, so that's like a typical video lesson. So let's go back to home. So I want you guys to do the video lessons before we meet live for our class time for our Zoom session, just to kind of get a feel of what the lesson will be. And then during our Zoom session, I will do examples. You guys get a chance to practice and work like we've done previously in class. And after class, you're going to complete your homework. So section 5.1 homework right here, solve systems by graphing. You would click on this, and then you will get a few questions. So this is your homework. So again, you are not doing homework on the PDF sheets that you've done before. You're going to do it directly in Canvas like this. I do advise that you still keep a notebook and you kind of write solutions, write the steps to the solutions out in your notebook and enter the answers in Canvas, but because that will help you learn. But you're not going to submit any paper homework, just the answers as you click on here. Okay, so for example, let's pick a question. And so it says, true or false, the 0.58 is the solution to the system. Okay, so for a point to be a solution, the x and y values need to make both equations true. So if I look at x is 5 and y is 8 and I plug it in, 5 times 5 is 25, minus 7 times 8, which is 56. So 25 minus 56, I think is negative 31. That looks good. And you also have to plug in the x and y values in here. So 4 times 5 is 20, and 3 times 8 is 24, and 20 and 24 is 44. And you go, yep, it's true. You submit it, and it looks like green check mark. I got it right. So that's one of the problems. So you have 8 problems for that homework that you put it. Okay, so that's how you complete your homework in Canvas. All right, so let me know if you have any questions about how to do this. The best time to ask me, you can ask me by email, but the best time to ask me is during the live sessions or during the live office hours right after class. All right, bye guys. Talk to you later.